How to log in to Brainly account. So if you want to log into your Brainly account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar search for Brainly, and after searching for Brainly, click on the first search which says brainly.in, and it will directly take you to the web page. Now on the upper right corner you will have login option. Click on login. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. So now if you want to log in, you can also continue with your Google account, or you can also log in with your Apple, or you can log in with your Facebook. But if you want to use your username or your email, then enter your email here. And after entering your email, you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, and if you want to recover your password, then you can click on forgot your password, and after that you will recover or reset your password by a code which is sent to your email. But if you remember your password, then enter your password, and after entering your password, click on login, and that's it, you have logged into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.